Why do you and I think that the American government will stop us from being godly? Do you know in the Constitution of the United States of America, you have something called freedom of religion? You know what is freedom of religion? Freedom of religion is explained to be to believe or to not to believe. So you could even believe in this and open a church and say, our faith is in this thing that shakes. You have that permissibility in America. So America will stop you from believing in God? The same God that the Jews and Christians believe in? Oh no! You have the freedom of practicing Islam in this country. That's your constitutional rights. But everybody comes here thinking their constitutional rights is to build big houses, buy nice motor cars, you know. Astaghfirullah, what is that? Have a career, be a dunyadar. But when Ramadan comes, we start acting fake. And when Ramadan ends, there is no taqwa. Because we're back to the same thing. Our attitude, our style, our mannerism, everything is the same. لَعَلَّكُمْ تَتَّقُونَ. We did not attain piety. Because we are doing the same thing that we have been doing before Ramadan.